Exploring public installations, art and utility in our daily lives. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a phrase that you might come across in newspapers, magazines, or even in conversations about art and urban development. Public installation. It's a term that beautifully blends the world of art, community, and functionality. So, let's unfold the layers behind this intriguing concept and understand why it's so significant in our daily lives. At its core, public installation refers to any work of art or functional piece that is installed or set up in public spaces for everyone to see, use, or interact with. These installations can range from sculptures and murals to benches and interactive light displays. What makes them unique is their accessibility to the public, free of charge, enhancing our shared spaces and encouraging community engagement. Public installations are not just about beautification. They are about sparking conversations, inspiring thoughts, and even addressing social and environmental issues. There are various types of public installations, each serving a different purpose and engaging the audience in unique ways. Art installations. These are often created by artists to convey specific messages or evoke emotions. They can be temporary or permanent and are usually designed to blend with or stand out in their environments. Functional installations. These include items like benches, street lamps, and bike racks that serve a practical purpose while adding aesthetic value to public spaces. Interactive installations. Designed for direct engagement. These installations invite the public to interact with them, often resulting in a change in the installation's appearance or sound. Eco-friendly installations. Focused on sustainability and environmental awareness, these installations might utilize recycled materials or promote green living practices. Public installations play a crucial role in shaping the cultural and social landscape of our communities. They enhance public spaces by adding visual interest and functionality to urban and rural settings. Promote community engagement, encouraging people to come together, interact, and share experiences. Foster cultural expression, reflecting the diversity, history, and values of the community. Stimulate economic development, attracting tourists and supporting local businesses by making areas more attractive. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at a few renowned public installations around the world. The Bean, Cloud Gate, in Chicago, USA, is a reflective sculpture that has become an iconic meeting point and photo opportunity. The Gates in Central Park, New York City, was a temporary installation by artists Christo and Jean-Claude, consisting of thousands of saffron-colored fabric gates along the park's paths. The Umbrella Sky project started in Agueda, Portugal, and has been replicated in various cities, creating colorful canopies of umbrellas suspended above streets. Public installations enrich our lives in myriad ways, adding beauty, thought-provoking imagery, and functionality to the spaces we share. They remind us that art isn't confined to galleries and museums. It's all around us, influencing our daily experiences and interactions. We hope this exploration into the world of public installations has inspired you to look at your surroundings with a new perspective and appreciate the creativity and purpose behind these installations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos on the English language and its fascinating expressions. See you in the next video.